People! It's your girl Cheesy Blase. Me just wake up, cause them just wake me put out of my bed. Colleen, want make you so cantankerous. Your mama never kiss you when you was a baby. Oh, you so tormented, little girl. Little girl, see the cut when me having on my blood clot face. Yes, so my baby father give me. We are to show people video and tell them say me that the person say yes, the girl have the cut in her face, big suck cocky girl. This is something where I look on my finger, them look like that the girl there. Big stinking dirty nasty fuck out girl. You come with the false news, all the blood clot time. Well, this one, you are wrong. Just like how when it comes to blood clot, 11-year-old Lamar, Kirk, you are not the father. Likewise, Kingman not have no father. Kingman is an alien. Me not stop killer cause when me attack them, me know what shoot. And Joseph, for me that call blood clot Clarky, and a Clarky name is Joseph. The junkie. We put you on the white and have you tormented in a life. Top up with me little dirty girl. How the mother cunt this boy? What the raw soul? Like seriously? Bitch. Me I zoom in on my face. I do no more videos because I don't entertain in your ignorant ass. And entertaining an ignorant bitch like you no more though. Real thing. Because I've got my kids and they're talking to me like, Mom, what you doing? Mom, this don't look good. But at the end of the day, this big rascal done out cunt. This big done out cunt calling dollars, everything in her hands. You're not blingers though. Yeah? This big done out girl just run with me near. Well, run with this big pussy. Remember me send that video they come give nene. Remember me send that video they come give so good lick out batty nene. So when she send it come here, you never blood clot sit down and look on it first before you run out with it. Yeah? She asked for the video whosoever give her the wrong information did not send the video. So I sent the video to her. Like seriously, bitch? If I want to suck dick, this is my rascal mouth, but that ain't me, bitch. That ain't me. Stop putting things on me, like because I'm talking about your fucking stinking life that you used to live, and I be telling the people about it, and then now you want to act like if you want to fucking group up with me, or you want to size your asshole self up with me. You can't size up with me, bitch. Everybody know you. Everybody know you. Everybody know you. Who don't know you is just who coming to England in a day. 2,000 bracket. Girl, if you're in England from in the 90s, they can tell about calling dollars, donors, every as different from the blingers. Calling nothing but blood clot, you want to call up my name. Don't put no salt down or dirt for my name because everything already on your name. You dig? Bitch, who I waiting on that video that you say I'm sucking dick. What's wrong with sucking dick these days? Nothing. But that ain't me. Calling you suck a long time for you there blood clot Trenchtown school. One of your Trenchtown blood clot school mate message me and say, girl, stop dealing with that girl. Because that girl right now, that girl you know nothing. Calling, remember say we did that finger you for your 9-year-old. My daddy never touched me there. Big up Rachi. Big up Rachi to blood clot. Because the man they grow with good. Although me get whole palik from father, but he never touched me here. My daddy never touched me here. Your father touch your pussy, Colleen. Yeah, what kind of blood clot say no wrong information for get fans? Me no need to do that. But everyone a more friend request from my blood clot page. You dig, bitch? Yeah, look, fans. Come out with the truth and make the fans them say, yeah, you pin her down, but I got you on the blood clot. Heavy gunfire right now. You understand? Alone shooting, not even blood clot. Adams and Tivoli wanna act like how me shoot up your dirty blood clot. Get some rounds and come back because them there right now, I'll be a one puppy of blood clot fire. And them cool, them can't catch me. Them can't catch me. Them can't catch me. Them can't catch me. Move your blood clot. Oh, hold this thing, man. Wash out my blood clot face. Can come like the cream and hide my face. Hold this, man. Wash out my blood clot face and show me say no. Me that blood clot. Wait, no, wait. Yeah. Put the video up when me wash out my face. I do me done brush your teeth already and come out. Little girl tap up with my name. Stop sweet start for my blood clot name because you done start already. Big dirty son out bumbo calling dollars. But beard I was a cream right there for going into the blood clot back in the right. Come try zoom in and see if you can creep out the sky. Because I have no blood clot money. We just zoom it in for my head. Good. Show the people them what the sky. Right over here, some baby father give me that sky. Look good. Oh, baby, make my mouth straight and hear one leave. Oh, baby, make my mouth straight and hear one leave. Boy, dirty big, dirty fuck out calling donors. Everything that has besides from the blingers. Where? You bling? You still bad enough for in the blood? Hey, make a clean that girl out. Stand up right there. Colleen, when I say eat a decent plate of food, mackerel rice is your best friend, bitch. Okay. And a foreigner there. Me no longer eat them some there. I mean, I eat mackerel rice, this vegetable, half a like everybody have to mix up in what they call it, Caesar rice. That is so good calling in real life. We suck pie wood. And pie say, him not tell you the only girl put him more by him cocky and him cocky dead. You shrivel up the boy with your JC dirty done out mouth. Nothing about you in a real life. Sister, nothing about your fire me a spit by your blood clot. Me say nothing about blood clot you. What go on for you? Every other else girl do blood clot, but say you still a wear chest. What you do with chest? You're Muslim man. You lift weights? Are you lifting weights? What are you doing with a chest? Yeah. And I bring your inner. Every girl I buy with them no born with. Where you can't buy where you no born with. Yeah. You don't have no money. Hungry your best friend. Yeah. Mackerel and rice is your cousin. Yeah. Blood clot, sardine and rice is beating your bad because all you can find is the mackerel. You eat up with me. You don't come like my old piece of slippers that me I walk with. Walk pan. In a real life, Colleen look good. Zoom it up. You don't look like she. You suck your mother and go dig up your cocky. Your father cocky with dead right out and chew it like cheese sticks. Me eat it, Colleen. When you stop calling up my blood clot name. Because every time you come on video, if you don't touch me, pitney, forget to me. Colleen, you could attack all you want. But see when you touch my true looks, my pretty little daughter, my daughter will lead. You and the whole of yours, them. You got to get me mad, cross, angry, miserable like Bunty blood clot killer. Don't ramp with me like a walk and fuck like your junk. I saw no walk and fuck, you know, like no junk. I saw no walk like a dirty girl. Tap ramp with blood clot me. And no one time you get me mad, you get me mad. Where me in? Look good again. Okay, come like the people them can see. Come like me ID cut. Me use makeup and ID cut. Look good again. I in a girl Friday, so the cut there. Big suck cocky girl. Stop. Put salt on my name. You fucking chink. Don't put no salt on my name. Because at the end of the day, yeah, even when you put salt on my name, I could never be where you at. Because you're a bitch in a real life. She's not telling no lie. Man knows they walk and foot like a sad. Like you look at best friend. And you choose fuck for your best friend. Scary calling me sorry for your condition. Because it's sticky like glue. Big dirty walk and foot like your dons. That me go do. Oh, you have trouble, me not even. Me say, all to me do a brush with teeth, and me know me I come up in the video lights. Cheese. Way. I better couldn't do this. Try do this dirty girl with the blackhead by your blood clot teeth. Why you don't try do this? Why you don't try? Me go buy one cigarette with you, me not go nowhere with your phone. Me have to come here so with it. Bright no blood clot, this walk and foot like your junk. You know me? You know me, dirty girl? Eh? Me know why you call up my name and give me no extra hype. Cause you know when you call me name, I come clean you like road. And you know when me clean you to blood clot it no nama. Me a chief for it, yeah? Give me one craving here then. Bright no blood clot, you get me crossing at the man in here. You know like baby, please and thanks. Thanks, ready for the road again. Boy, take off your wig. Big stinky girl, be ever clean that we get. Me know you all dirty, nasty, rubbish sheep. See you there. See you there. Oh, me for come clean you. You mad?